Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you guys can make up to $5 every single minute right now straight into your PayPal account with this simple method which I was going to show you in this video. And the best part is you don't need any money to start. You don't need any experience. Even you don't need a laptop to do this. You can do this with your smartphone, which is Android or Apple, whatever you use, and you don't need a lot of time to invest in this. You just need to invest 1 minute to make up to $5. So watch this video. What I'm going to show you in this video is which website you have to go, why this website is different from other sites, and how to get verified, and step by step sign up process so you don't have any problem doing sign up process. And if you guys stick to the end, I'm going to show you how you can 10x your earnings from this site with a simple trick which I was using in the past. So stay to the end. But before that, if you guys like to learn how to make money online, escape your 9 to 5 and live a laptop lifestyle, then consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates from us. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So the site we are going to talk about today is Validity. So when you first search in Google for validity.com, and this page will load up. So this is start your websites which we are going to test. So we want to make money, so go here, get paid to test website, click on here, and you will land up on this page. So as you land up on this page tells you what you have to do and how you can make money. So you just have, it says test website, make money. Is that simple? This website works with Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Salesforce, and Allstate. These are the very big websites we can trust. Everybody trust on Google and Amazon, so we can trust this website too. This website is legit. So how does it work? So step one, you make money for every test you take. You will be asked a complete set of tasks. Speak your thoughts aloud and answer the questions regarding to the website or the app. So step one, sign up. Step two, start taking tests, and step three, get paid. These are the frequently asked questions. So what do you need to start make money with this website? You need a computer with a microphone or an Apple or Android smartphone for mobile studies. You must use Google Chrome. This website will work only on Google Chrome. So you must use Google Chrome. You must have a high-speed internet connection. You must be at least 18-year-old. You must have ability to communicate in English. You must have your PayPal account. So if you meet this criteria, if you have all these things, then click here to sign up, or you can click on this button too. And when you click here to sign up button, you will land up on this page which says register account. So you create account, which device you use. I use Android. Next, what type of computer do you own? I own Windows PC. Next, what version of Windows do you use? I use Windows 10. Next, gender, male. What year do you born? 2000. If you guys are also born in 2000, let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to interact with you guys. What is your level of education? My level is school or some college degree. I'm self-employed. Next, job title, I'm a marketer. Next, annual income 25k to 75k. What is your full name? My full name is Rishikesh. This. What is your email address? My email address is this. Next, what is your PayPal email address? You must need a PayPal account to get money from this site. Choose a password. Now you have to tell this website to detect your location. So click on detect my location. And pro tip here, if you guys are not from United States, Canada or United Kingdom, then what you can do to get more tests, you can use a VPN, any VPN, and before clicking on detect my location, you can turn on the VPN and then click on detect my location. It will detect your location on the VPN basis which you set into the VPN. If you want to get more tests and make more money, then you can use VPN method. So we have to take the screener test now. You have to complete this test very carefully because this site will decide on the basis of this test how many tests they have to provide you and how much money you can make. So I'm ready to begin this session. Okay, next it will open up the new. Okay, select, I will share, screen share. Okay, tap on the screen, share. Now with task add. So what is our task? Add a note to the notepad. Okay, start task. So where is notepad? Oh, here is notepad. Open up the notepad. Okay. Oh, this is the note. So we copy, Control C, paste, Control V, and add note. So we added a note. Is that it? Complete? Complete? Question? Yes. Very easy. Next. Uploading. Okay, upload. Oh, I've just completed the test. I'm now ready to get the test. So here's a tip how you can 10x your earnings from this site. So trick number one, you have to sign in with multiple email accounts. So you have 3 email accounts, sign up with 3 email accounts. If you have two, sign up with two. You have four, sign up with four. So in that way, you can get more and more tests on the different emails. Trick number two is when you get the email from Validity, which is a confirmation email on any email when you sign up, what you can do is you can mark that email as an important email. What this will do, if you get any email in the future from Validity, you will get a customizable notification on your smartphone or on your laptop with that particular email. And why do you want to get that particular email notification so early? Because you have to open the email and complete the test as quickly as possible. If you open that email 2 hours later, 3 hours later, then you might be not qualified for the test, because whoever's open that email first and complete the test will get that money. So you have to be quick. You have to open that email and complete the test as earlier possible as early. This is it for today's tutorial. Hope you guys like today's tutorial, and if you do, then be sure hit the like button and be sure to subscribe for the future videos like this one. I will see you guys in the next one.